Well, hello there, barbecue friends. Today, I'm going to be firing up the Louisiana Grills Kamado here. I thought I'd switch the camera around, give you a slightly different background to look at behind the barbecue here. So I thought I'd use the Kamado because I got those nice half plates, cast iron plates. One's got the flat cast iron, the other's got the grill grates. And today we're going to be throwing some fish on there. I got a couple nice fillets of swordfish. I plan on doing some wraps. So just beyond back there is our vegetable garden. So I thought I'd go in there and get some fresh ingredients as well to freshen up that wrap. So I'll take this cook step by step, show you what I'm doing. So we're going to start off putting some hardwood lump charcoal into the grill here. I got this at my local Costco. It's been pretty good charcoal to use. Of course, I got my charcoal basket in there. Not going to need too much because it's going to be a fairly quick cook. I'm going to put one of my instant fire starters in there, get the charcoal lit. There we put our cast iron grill grates I was talking about. I got the flat side here and the grill grate on one side. So here's the swordfish fillets I got. I got this at my local grocery store. It was in the frozen section. I was actually going to get some tuna fillets. Then I seen the swordfish and I thought, why not? So I just thawed this. Came out of the freezer there this morning. So it should be good to go by the time the grill's all warmed up. So while the grill's warming up here, I want to head over to our vegetable garden back there, get some fresh ingredients that we're going to use in our wrap. So here's our vegetable garden here. We got 2 rows of raised beds. We got a few things going on here. So let's pick something for today's cook. So what I want to get is some leaves from the lettuce here. I think that'll go good in that wrap. So what I do, I grab the outer leaves on the plant, just pinch it off like that. And we'll get a couple different leaves from each plant. There, that should do that. Now I got a lot of dill in this garden, so maybe we'll grab a couple sprigs of dill to go along with this. Something like that. I also got some chives here. Actually pretty overgrown, but grab some sprigs of that as well. Now I'll bring all this in the house, wash it up, get it ready for the cook. Okay, here's all our fresh ingredients we're going to be using. We just cleaned that up from the garden. Got our swordfish, it's still thawing there. Feels pretty good. Now, got my lettuce, my chives, my dill, got a fresh lemon, a tomato, and I got a couple tablespoons of avocado mayonnaise here. And I'm just going to kick that up a notch with this Mojo hot sauce. This is the Korean habanero. Very spicy. It's just going to ramp everything up. What I'll do, just get all this ready. My lettuce, I'm just going to cut across like that on the board. Then bunch it up. And cut it the other way. Okay. Kind of move that to the side. Get a couple slices of tomato here. Maybe I'll go right down the center. Just remove the stem part. Probably only use half a tomato for this. Just leave that aside. The lemon I'm just gonna kind of have. And maybe I'll quarter it. Again, probably only gonna use about a half a lemon. Now the Mojo sauce, the spicy habanero, Korean habanero. Give it a bit of a shake. Like I say, it's got a good kick to it. Gonna add that to the mayonnaise. And this is an avocado mayonnaise, if I didn't mention it earlier. Oh yeah, certainly smell that spice. Now that we did all that, let's go back to our grill. Our fire cup's out. We're just gonna leave this lid open, really get that heat coming. As soon as I get some good heat coming off of that, I'm gonna give this plate a clean. And so we're starting to get a nice heat source going there. So we'll start cleaning these grills. There, I'll start off with a wet paper towel here. Just give it a good quick wipe, just on the flat part. Then I'll give it a spray with some avocado oil. Do both grills actually. Give it another wipe with the paper towel. All right, there we have it. Nice and ready for today's cook. All right, so this is coming up to temperature here. Just to give you some indication, the plate here is up to about 350 degrees, like here. It's a little bit cooler back here, around 250. I'm going to start off putting a thing of butter here on the plate. Letting that melt in. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper here on the grill. See, Tom Garvey, the keto cook, he likes to season his pan before he puts his meat on. That's where I got that from. All right, now we'll add our swordfish fillets here. Get that going. We'll leave these go for a little bit. Now I could smell these cooking here. They're just smelling fantastic right now. Now, only after a few minutes you can see the fat rendering out of the fish. Probably getting a nice sear there on the bottom. I'm just going to move them just a little bit on the plate. Work on that bottom crust. You know, turn them around a little bit. See how it stuck there just for a second. All right, just kind of give everything a little bit more sear. We'll give it a couple more minutes in that position. Before we flip these over, I'm just gonna grind some salt and pepper on the top of these. There, I'm just waiting to see a little more cook from the bottom of that fish come up into the center of the fish. This one's looking pretty good there. I think it's time to flip these. What I'm going to do, move these away from the edge, kind of to that cooler side of the grill again. I'm going to drop another pat of butter on there. If because why not? All right, now we'll give these a flip. Just like that. Let them continue to cook away. I'll bring you back in a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, the fat's starting to render out of the other side of the fish. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon here on top. Just a few drops on the top. Just like that. And again, we'll move these around on the plate a little bit. Spin things around. Let these continue to cook away. This one's slightly thicker cut here. Actually, maybe what I'll do, I'll slide that one back. Slide this one over. Give it a little more heat. Okay, what I might do after a couple minutes, give it one more flip. Curious to see what this side looks like. Oh yeah. Looking good. Oh, we're 147. Okay, we're a little bit over on that one. 142. Boy, that got away on me quick. We'll leave these on the plate here to rest. Let's go get the rest of the ingredients ready. There, I got a couple tortillas there. I'm going to quickly throw them over the grill grate just to warm it. There's one. And here's two. You can see how they softened up on there. Okay, now we're going to take our avocado mayo with our hot sauce. Spread that across. Nice generous amount. Take some of our fresh herbs. Fresh lettuce. Put a couple slices of tomato in there. We'll lay that in there. Smells fantastic here. Put another wedge in there. And we'll squeeze some of that fresh lemon on there. And here we have it. All there is left to roll them up, take a bite. Before I do that, let's get some photos. All right, now we can roll these up here. Fold the bottom, roll it, fold it again, roll it. Do the same with this one. All right, here we have it. Ready for the taste test. Wow, that's swordfish. Okay, It's cooked a little further than what I wanted, but the flavor in there is just so fantastic. Just bites right through. The freshness of those herbs and that kick of spice in that sauce. Wow. This stuff's just delicious. I know I keep bringing this out in different videos. I have a few different flavors of these that I picked up. Last time my lovely wife and I were in Toronto, we were at a food and drink expo and we ran into this, and I started trying these sauces, and they all have such a different flavor and they all have a nice kick to it. Let's give it another bite here. There's not a heavy fish taste to the swordfish, but there is a fish taste to it, and the freshness of the lemon, the salt and pepper. I'm telling you, that's a nice tasting fish. Just makes a great wrap like this. I love it when I can go to get some fresh ingredients from the garden. Just makes everything taste so good. Well, today, first day of summer, let's crack open a beer. This one again is from Lake of Bays. Got no fingernails. It's a Sunchaser Extra Light Lime. It's only 2.5% alcohol. Very light and refreshing and flavorful beer. Well, it took a while for us to get the backyard to where we have it today. It was kind of a work in progress, how you're going to use your backyard. So I hope this video helps you. You want to make a nice light summertime meal like this. Very quick. Of course, you can use any grill. Put a cast iron pan on your kettle grill or use your pellet grill. It's just a fantastic light. And if you can get fresh ingredients like this, just fantastic. Well, if you enjoyed this video, appreciate you give me that thumbs up. And again, get in your backyard, find your place, and we'll see you next time in the next video.